Good morning, all, whoever are watching to us. This is me, Naveen Park, a teacher at Exit Ashrams. Regarding our subject LPDC, we always talk about public speaking and developing confidence and the personality way, different talks about like that. Then we are going to make the students perfect for the 21st century. So we talk about the English and public speaking here. Regarding the public speaking, now we both are here. She is my students from class 5 RP, and we will have the conversation that how the her life is going at a school and her life and at house. So we shall talk about these ones. Good morning, Avilasa.
Good morning, Naveen sir. Thank you for inviting me here.
Okay, how is your life going?
Very nice, actually. It has been going on very nice because I have learned how to play badminton and I scored third position last Friday. So that's pretty much how my life is going.
Okay, whenever you hear Exit Ashram, what comes in your mind?
I joyful and a safe environment for the kids because first I was going to get admitted in another different school, but then I got the thought, my parents got the thought to admit me in Access Vidya Ashram. So Access Vidya Ashram is very joyful for kids. We have extra activities on every Friday, and with studies we have less course also. There are less subjects. So.
Okay, now you're just in primary schools at the class 5. So how is the class 5 for you? Means how is it different than in class 4 and 3 in like two class? What is special in the class 5? You see that in the primary levels you're the senior here. So what makes you feel that you are senior, and what type of environment you get in class 5?
I get a very good environment than 4 and 3 because now we are respected by our juniors also. I have had many juniors come to me and say that he's troubling me, they are troubling me, and it makes me feel like I have a respect in them also. And in class 5, being the senior feels like a lot to me, and we get to do our own programs also. Teachers take help from us also in many ways. That's it for class 5.
Okay, could you like to tell what's your aim? Means what do you want to be in your life?
I want to be a lawyer or want to open a school like Access Vidya Ashram.
You want to become a lawyer and you want to establish a school. Means how does that link to each other? A lawyer is trying to open a school, yeah.
Nowadays I want to be a lawyer, but my past aim was to be a principal. So I'm thinking to be a lawyer in the future.
So your aim is to become a lawyer, and you want just to fight for justice to the people. Is
Yes.
it okay? So about the schools, means how did the idea come that you are going to open schools when you will be the lawyer and you will be the senior times?
I saw the love of students for their teachers and for the head of the school, the principal, and I felt like if I opened a school, there would be a safer place for children and many people. Some of them, in our school, principal ma'am is very busy because nowadays her leg has also been in a problem. So I feel like when I open a school, I will be more connected with my juniors, and I love to talk to juniors, and that's the thought that came first. So.
What type of students you usually have the for friend circles? As the class there are about 36 students in class, so which personalities and which behavioral students are selected for your best friends and your friend circles?
The students who are very good at studies, because I love the people who are like good at studies, match my personality. I just want them to be a little bit sporty because being sporty is very nice thing for your body. It keeps us healthy also. And I also want them to be supportive in whatever I do and tell me when I'm wrong.
Okay, so how do you get your parents? Are they supportive or not? Means how are they for you? Means what value in your life your parents?
They are very supportive. They just let me go on my own way, direct me when I'm wrong, and whenever I feel like I'm stressed out with my studies, they will never force me, no, you have to study like that. They also tell me that mental health also matters a little bit, a lot than physical health actually.
Yeah, sounds great because this time the parents must be supportive for the child's welfare and for the educations and for the life also. And so then So then means the teachers, means whatever teachers you are getting at Exhibit the Ashram in the class 5, usually primary level is famous for the extra activities in whole Pasima and whole Thingari. So, and how the teachers are there? Are they friendly with the Friday activities or like this? Means what? Means what are the teachers you get here actually?
So I get a lot of friendly teachers because they love to talk with the juniors, the students, and they also involve us like their kids, their own kids, and they always direct us that you should do that and you should do this. They know what is good for us. If we are good at drawing, they will let us participate in drawing competition. If we are good at hosting, they will call us the first while hosting. So teachers are very supportive and sometimes more supportive than our parents also.
Do you usually feel boring in the class? So there's a question that I like to ask. Do you usually feel boring in the class? Sometimes it happens when teachers are teaching like that. My friends are like bored. Teacher is absent like that. So do you have some experience? You felt boring in the class?
Yes, sometimes I feel boring because the teacher is absent and everyone is not, fighting with each other, and always I get involved in the drama and I get in trouble. So I hate when teacher is absent, and I also get bored when there is like a lot of pressure under me. So
So how did you study? You are miss. What kind of students you are expecting in class 5
I think that I am really good. Teachers have been appreciating me in many ways, but I need to prove my strength in many subjects also. I've been getting less marks in science, so I need to focus on it.
Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Maths. Okay. You love maths so much.
Yes.
Yes, and the second one, your favorite, if we talk about that, which one
Second
would be
is
this?
LPDC because I love to do extra activities, except for drawing. I'm not really good at drawing.
Oh, means you seems yourself you are bad at drawing. Okay. So you means you usually are praised, as you say that you are praised for your every activities at schools, and to be a good student, what are the qualities we need? Like we see that means there are huge number of students at Vidyaashram, yes, and all are not same. They are in the different way. Means some are talented in some way and some are talented in some way. So they are different. But talking in the classroom, students differ each other, yes, and the teachers and all the students, just like the students who are good in studies. So. How to suggest and what can you suggest those students who are not good in the studies, means what can be their daily routines and what can be their behavioral and what can be their thoughts to improve the studies? How do you suggest to them?
The first step is to know yourself. First, you have to know if you like to study in the morning or if you feel lazy when you study for a long time of periods. So first, when you should make a timetable at the first day. Not for everything, just for studies and rest time. And if you are a person like me who hates to have long period of work, so always try to maintain small breaks in between. So you have to study for 1 hour, then we can get 10 minutes break, 25 minutes, 5 minutes. Like that, if we do that, our mind will not get bored and we can focus better in studies.
That's an awesome idea that every student has to follow. So how you are at house, means in a home, how you are, means how you are called. Likewise, what we get there, we get different life at school, different life at house. Yes, if we are so lovely at house, we can be so boring at school. They can be different.
Yes.
So means how your parents are treating you at your house, means how the family members are behaving with you at your house.
My family members, as I told before, are very supportive. Especially my dad, he is very supportive, but sadly he lives a little bit away due to work reasons. So my mom is also with me all the times. Whenever I get sick, he's the first person to take care of me well. And she's also like, she treats me very nicely, but she complains a little bit about my eating habits. I don't eat nicely, and I know that.
So that it seems that your body is so and thin. Okay, so in this age, like you must be about 10, 11 years old, the students are so nutty, They behave like they are so child. Students behave so nutty and they're sporty. And so do you behave such like in the class, you just tell the parents that no, I need this one, so you do have such habits that irritate your parents and you ask for big demands that your parents cannot afford sometimes? Do you do like that? Are you so naughty in the house, or just means what type of students means what type of daughter you are at house? So calm, so disciplined, so naughty, and so aggressive, and so annoying. What would you like to give this tag to your house
I
as
would
a
like to
daughter?
say I'm not that aggressive or annoying, but I do like to talk a lot. I'm very talkative actually. But while teacher is teaching, I focus on the studies only. When teacher is out and the captain allows me to talk for a while, then only I try to talk and try to maintain discipline everywhere. So
Mhm. Okay, what games allure you a lot? Means what games you like most?
talking about outdoor, I like to play badminton and I like to play soccer also, football.
Mhm.
It is very nice to play, So for extra activities only, I'm not as interested in sports. And when it comes to indoor games, I like to play Ludo and I'm trying to learn how to play chess.
Okay, chess and ludos, these are called, like we say, brainstorming games, brain teasing game. They
Yes.
really shakes our brains and makes our brains so healthy, and they really help for our studies like math, mostly math, because they're so tricky. Yeah,
Yes.
this time games are also important for your life. You have to do it. Okay, so when exam comes, yes, when exam comes, it is so called fearful environment for the students, and we usually hear that there is a joke, cracking joke, like in the school times, yes, when school's time, students enjoy a lot, and teacher is so like means he is hardworking at this time, yes, and means he is just like tired, done up. But when exam comes, students are so afraid and tired and done up. Yes. So what value exam in your life means whenever you hear that the exam routine is gonna publish there. So how do you react how, how do you react and what comes for preparation means how do you prepare for the examinations?
So first, we have to have complete notes throughout the semester to focus better on our exams, because then we will have complete data about what is going to come. And second of all, we procrastinate whenever we are in stress of exams, and we are like, hey, I'll do it tomorrow, no? But the tomorrow never comes. You have to do it today.
Okay. So means during exam times, what's your routine? Means what's your daily schedules at this time?
I try to work in the morning because my brain is active. I have no stress at that time. No one is there to disturb me online also. And I make the timetable that I have to complete this assignment by tomorrow. And this project is due to the day after tomorrow. I always set fake deadlines. I always set like if it is on 23 of March, I'll send it on 21, because I don't like to do things in the last minute.
Oh, that's okay. Let's talk about some fun. Okay. So let me talk about that. That's the fun. Your hobbies. What type of hobbies you carry?
I like to deliver speeches. I like to watch motivational videos. I like to also, teach someone. My confidence increases when someone asks me for help. So I love to. I pretend that I'm teaching when I'm trying to study. So I focus better on that.
So outing. What comes in your mind when you hear outing? Outing at school and outing with family members.
I don't go that much outing because I probably get sick in the bus or anywhere while going anywhere.
Yeah.
So, but in school time, going outing is really fun. You get to spend more time with your teachers and your friends. Instead of being bored by studies, you get fun in school also. But going with family members is a different story because I don't go much. And my family members always say that you have to eat this food whenever I go somewhere else, So I hate that. That's why I don't go places.
Okay.
more.
So means you have some problems on the foods.
Yes.
Food there delivers and you have problems because you choose the foods and you just try to have. You like it. Okay. So outing with the teachers and no outing with the school or outing with the parents, which is better for you?
Outing with the school because
Okay.
I honestly feel more safer in the school than my family
Okay.
sometimes.
So you feel that the school is more safer for school is safer for you. You think that?
not exactly safer, but there is less pressure. I don't know, but I feel more productive during school time and less during holidays. The
Okay.
past year made me love school, actually.
Okay, when they were corona time, you really missed the school because you, I think, got a lot of time at house doing nothing, and your mind
Yeah.
wasn't so productive. Okay, that's important things that you have. And let's talk about the means environment in the schools. There are 5 classes, about huge number of students we get here, and the 4 class, 2, 3 classes. And how do you like means when you enter the gate of the school? What comes in your mind? Means how do you think now I am going where? Like we usually say that school is a temple, yes. So when you prepare for the school, yes,
Yes.
when you enter the gate of the school, and what makes your mind to do that? Means do you carry some plans like today I will learn this one, today I will go to my house with this kinds of knowledge, today I will acquire this knowledge. Do you really have the plans for the day or not?
Sometimes I don't, because sometimes I feel like let's enjoy today. Exams are over now. But when exams are coming, I have plans that if we are going to study this today, I have to revise it in the morning so that there won't be any problem in the school time. And yes, I make plans. I have made plans today also. I feel very good about myself when I make plans. I feel like yes, I have to do this now, and then I will come back to this later.
So means you often have plans for the schools when you go there out.
Yes.
Okay, so fine. Thank you so much. You really made our conversation better, and you're the first person whom I chose the interview for here. And how are you feeling having interview with Naveen sir?
I'm feeling very nervous
Okay.
because this is my first time actually.
Uh-huh.
I do speeches a lot at home, but school is a different thing than home. You feel less comfortable here because you are not that familiar with everyone in the school. So that's why.
Okay, thank you so much for wonderful time, and you did really make our videos is so wonderful. And thank you.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you
fine.
for inviting me.
Okay, fine.